Cultivated meat is a growing industry that aims to tackle some of the environmental challenges that come with the way we source food today. One company is growing fish cells here in Raleigh, North Carolina, working to create fish fillets without the animal. It's an effort to make seafood more sustainable as climate change continues to threaten ocean life.
This is an incubator, so it just maintains a constant temperature.
Trevor Ham has been camped out at this lab at NC State, cultivating fish cells that could one day end up on dinner plates.
So we're working with black sea bass.
The Duke postdoc graduate is the chief scientist for Atlantic Fish Company, part of a growing industry developing lab-grown meat.
This is not a plant-based replica. It's just real meat or seafood made in a totally different way.
Cultivated seafood could reduce overfishing while feeding the world's growing demand, expected to jump 20% over the next decade, according to the UN. Now companies are racing to see who can bring costs low enough to break into the $120 billion seafood market.
What we're mainly working on is getting them to grow as quickly as possible, as efficiently as possible.
Scientists are isolating fish stem cells that can develop into parts of the fish people eat: muscle, fat, and connective tissue.
Our goal is to get more and more fish cells in the same volume of red juice.
The cells are fed a solution containing proteins to signal cells to replicate. Scientists then structure the tissue into the shape and texture of fish meat.
We know that it's safe to eat, and actually compared to traditional agriculture products, especially animal products, we have a greater degree of control over what goes in it.
The Raleigh-based company recently secured funding from NC Biotechnology Center to bring cultivated seafood to market.
There's a lot of demand that we can't meet with the current supply, plus there's health benefits to having fish without mercury and microplastics, has a small carbon footprint.
A thriving biotech scene that could be the future of food if consumers can get on board.
Atlantic Fish Company is planning to have its first tasting events with demo products by this spring. There will be some ongoing product development and regulatory hurdles, so consumers probably won't see it on restaurant menus for a couple of years.